Hello guys, it's me Haska with WTI and I love doing my nails at home. That's why I got this gel nail polish remover that won't hurt my nails and I use it every single week with no problem. This is the gel nail polish remover by ZBQIEX and it's personally made doing my nails much easier because you apply the same way you would do with a regular nail polish brush. It comes with this nail file to file your nail before you apply the remover and this scraper for you to scrape the gel residue. And what I do first is I use the nail file to remove a little bit of the surface of the nail, and then I apply the remover on the already filed nail. Then I leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. Depending on how many coats of nail polish I have, I leave it on for a little more. And then with the scraper, I just remove the residues of the nail polish. And in case you need to apply more because you had a couple more layers of polish, do so and just repeat the same process. And this is how it leaves my nails. And now I'm ready to do my nails again. So if you guys are looking for something that won't hurt your nails when removing your gel nail polish, I would definitely recommend this little frame right here. It lasts forever. I mean, you just need a little bit and it will remove your gel nail polish. I love this product. I'm not afraid of doing my nails every week now. And yeah, that's just my point of view.